Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Guys, my today's video is creative, unique and fun in itself because in this video I'm going to show you a very beautiful, unique and eye-catchy design ideas of very beautiful style ideas, that is necklace style hand embroidery neckline designs. By making these very beautiful floral ornament style, necklace style, bot neck hand embroidery, neckline design ideas, you will no longer need to wear a necklace, any type of neck base ornament to enhance the beauty of yourselves. Just make these very beautiful, decent, and delicate patterns of hand embroidery and become a professional fashion designer of your own. Friends, one more thing, that all of these design patterns are made by using very beautiful, simple and easy hand embroidery stitches. If we talk about the basic embroidery stitches that are being used in these type of embroidery patterns, then those embroidery stitches are French knot, lazy daisy stitch, satin stitch, fly stitch, bullion knot, and the very easiest fly stitch, ring knot stitch, and some basic chain stitch and root stitch as well. And to increase the beauty and enhance the creativity of these design patterns, you can use beads and pearls to give a more realistic 3D and 5D patterns of amazing necklace embroidery patterns. So all of these designs could be made on your shirts, kurtis, gowns, maxis, frocks, and whatever type of dresses, shirts or tops you used to wear. I hope that you really like my today's design ideas, color combinations, the beautiful embellishments, and all you have to do is you just need a thread, needle, an embroidery frame and fabric to begin and make these patterns. For more creative fashion related designing ideas, do subscribe our channel and watch our videos on daily basis so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. And don't forget to like. If you are watching my video for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and do leave comments below my video so that I could get to know what you feel about my content and what you want me to share with you on daily basis. With this, allow me to leave and stay tuned for latest new upcoming videos. Up till then, Jazakallahu khaira for watching my content.